Hello, Merry Christmas to all my lovelies. I want to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. Without you guys, I would not be here. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. So there is something going on my page. For some reasons, I don't know, it's best known to them. Facebook stopped recommending my videos and I got few messages last week. Some people were saying that they don't see my post again. You guys, I'm posting. I do post every day. So if you are seeing this video, I want to ask you guys for help. Please help a sister. Help me. If you see this video, please engage on it, share and like so that other people will see that I'm still posting. So these days, Facebook, I don't know what they're doing, but we move. I trust you guys that you're going to help me this time. Please help me. If you see my video, like, share and comment. It's very, very important for my growth. Please. Please. So that is it. Today I will be making potato frittata and plantain frittata. So stick around and let's do it as usual. As delicious as always. Let's get it done.
Dito muna. So sorry.
Cutting the tomatoes, I remove the seeds so that it doesn't produce more moisture. I'm cutting the plantain into cubes like this. You can leave it the way it is, but I want it tiny, tiny. Now let the magic begin.
Saying, hi lovelies, would you wrap up?
Now let's transfer in the oven and allow it to bake. The fruit wine, no, madam. I just finished recording another video, so this is my Christmas PJ. Now the frittata is ready. Let's try the plantain and the. Look at that. This is everything delicious. Delish. Now let me pack it in there. His name is Jehovah, Iron Breaker. Look at this. Should you try?
Yes. Yeah.
Potato and the egg. Eat plantain. Plantain is good.
Or eat the.
Then what I will continue. Plantain and potato. Oh. Potato or man now. You didn't have that.